How are you doing today? This is Jennifer Marshall, your Spanish teacher. So today we are going to be learning very basic vocabulary words in Spanish. If you're new to my channel, this is Jennifer Marshall. I am Dominican originally and now I'm living in the States, in Atlanta, Georgia, and with more than 7 years of experience teaching ESL, which is English as second language, and Spanish as second language as well. So, yes, I really hope that you guys enjoy today's class, all right? Please hit the like button below and subscribe and share this with those that you know that want to learn Spanish or are going to travel to a Spanish country. They need to know this. All right. Well, so our first vocabulary words, we have one line over here and one line over there that we will be looking at. First word, mañana is morning. Mañana. Mañana. Now, this word is as well used as tomorrow. Mañana voy para el trabajo. Tomorrow I will go to work. Mañana voy para el trabajo. So, depending on the context of your sentence, this might mean tomorrow or morning. En la mañana desayuné con un sándwich. In the morning, I had a sandwich for breakfast. En la mañana desayuné un sándwich. En la mañana desayuné un sándwich. Okay? Tarde, noon. Tarde, noon. Tarde. So if I want to greet and say good afternoon, I would say Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. Now, if I want to greet in the morning, is Buenos días. Buenos días. Buenos días. And good evening would be Buenas noches. Buenas noches. Buenas noches. Now, noche is night, evening. Noche. 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 Then we have hoy, today, mañana, tomorrow, ayer, yesterday. So, let's repeat. Hoy, today. Hoy. Hoy. Tomorrow. mañana, mañana, mañana. Yesterday, ayer, ayer, ayer. Good job, guys. All right. Then we have when, cuando, cuando, where is donde, donde, what is que, why is por qué, por qué. Then we have now, which is ahora, and we have how, which is cómo, cómo. ¿Cómo pasó eso? How did that happen? ¿Cómo pasó eso? ¿Cómo pasó eso? Okay? Now let's move to our second line over here, and I will move a little bit. So we have cuánto es, how much, cuánto es, cuánto es, cuántos, cuántos, how many, cuántos. Never, nunca, nunca, nunca como picante. I never eat spicy food, or I never eat spicy. Nunca como picante. Nunca como picante. Ahora, now. Ahora, now. Ahora. Before, antes. 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 After. Después. 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 Then we have not yet. Todavía. Todavía. Not yet. Todavía. Then we have later. We can say luego, or we can say más tarde. Luego, or we can say más tarde. One more time. Luego, or we can say más tarde. Very well. All right. Then we have I can't, no puedo, no puedo, no puedo. Or we could say, I can. Puedo. 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 Okay. Well, this is our basic vocabularies for today. I thank you very much. I hope you liked it. Please leave me your comments below of classes that you would like me to teach, any suggestions or recommendations, and please hit the like button below and subscribe and share. Thank you very much and hasta luego. See you soon. Hasta luego.